How to delete a wallpaper on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to delete a wallpaper on Android, what you can simply do is go to your gallery option or the photos, and then you can just tap on the picture that you have set as wallpaper. So just make a long press on the picture, and then here you can tap on delete and tap on delete again. And this way you'll be able to delete the wallpaper on your Android. Next, what you can do is change the wallpaper of your device. So what you can simply do is tap on another picture and then tap on three dot lines and tap on set as wallpaper, and then tap on apply and apply as home screen or lock screen or both. And then as you tap on apply, it will start setting the wallpaper for your device over here. So you just have to wait for a while until it's loads and applies. Now go back and you'll be able to see your wallpaper has been changed and your older wallpaper has been deleted. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.